was a comedian so Ghana for no ebuofu. Omubuofu Bawku for no say dear ba dear na Bawku kwa mo pe wo honomo. What does Bawku add to the development of this country? There be a modern to kwankuto na moko no honomo. TikTokers for no abe fire Bawku for no hard one enye fe dia bro. Me ma nchire mu no akere wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. How Penyah Brock Media. Mess was say need him. Over like give video no other more subscribe button and click notification icon of latest updates. Na be kire wadwen dia ama me. E wo comment section so baso. No say first enya biache. Awusia onim se Bawku entokwa no eda ho enye ne entokwa na da ho ache ama say o makwa to the point say kuro no adane akura ase. There's no any beautiful building over there. We go see them very kura na e be to bom aboma se no o makwa makuro no dane akura ase. Ekuro no kudu ye twa kuro no kire wa edan bi esisi ho no mo ne apata bi ho no all because of entokwa atena kuro ni mache ahensem nti we sim na wo se metena konwa ne so we sim na wo se metena so ya ko afiremre santia besi ne and if you kwada bia muja question say Bawku akonwa ne da ho no no ade gold edan ma eta akonwa no ho na ase de gold eta akonwa no ho bia nti do betena konwa no so oba befa ana ade no Bawku akonwa no ho nti da bia yeku ni pasa ede wade ne wo ho Bawku akonwa no I just want to ask. I am not trying to impede on integrity of anybody, no. But I just want to ask a fair question. There ba there no Bawku akonwa ne ho. Konwa ne there there ne ho. I don't even know. I don't get it. There ba there no akonwa ne ho nti no. Ye kunipa enipa wu akonwa enipa there no akonwa no. Ade akonwa no gold dan ma bi si ho. As ye wo na betena Bawku na ba akonwa so a ye di gold ni be ka ho ana zede. Gold bi ka ho ana zede. Bawku has been in the news for decades. There be a Bawku obete Ghana. Say Ghana ni asumdwe nyina Bawku. Ede ba asem wa. Ede ba asem. Ama buja be kaya Otumfuo akura tena asem no so. Senko pen puma sibire ama asumdwe aba. Otumfuo tena asem for proper mediation senko o pe asem no ye ede ama no ka say asem no tena all kan. And yes, he is not here to declare winner, declare that, but all pass.
Your Excellency the President, Excellency the Vice President, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I'm here not to give a judgment as to who was wrong and who was right. I'm here to present the facts as they are for us to have peace. It is almost about 2.5 years since your predecessor invited me to mediate in a major conflict in Bawku that had not only claimed the lives of many innocent souls, but had become a major threat to the security of the nation. Almost a year ago, the people of Ghana handed the mandate of the governance of Ghana to Your Excellency, and you wasted no time in reaffirming the mandate of the Bawku mediation. By the grace of God, we are able to assemble here this morning for us to present to Your Excellency the report of the mission you entrusted to us. We present a report for your kind consideration, whatever action you and your government consider appropriate. Before dealing with the report, you will permit me, Your Excellency, to thank you and your predecessor for the confidence reposed in me in entrusting this delicate matter to me. There's nothing more grievous than the peace and security of the land. Like I said, it was a mediation. It wasn't an arbitration, and I'm not here, as I said, to say that this one was wrong or this one. I'll present the facts as they are, and that's what it should be binding on all of us, whoever is there. I've spoken to before I came yesterday, I was on the phone for more than with my brother, the Nairi, explaining the circumstances to him in terms of the decision I took. And I have spoken to the Bokunapa, taking time all these periods to be speaking to everybody about it.
At the end of the day, no, the only believe say every must be a banner, and Otumfuo a year. Now go back and cast Sunjay Abba, Otumfuo a cassa, Grand Mahama, Edenja Becassaye, Emma Obia, the India Besum, but out of nowhere. Anna, Naira Yakuta, Mampus for him. Ever change the Debbie on the one so Otumfuo and Sim on some Otumfuo Nyajune. I'm for Kunyana man so no international day. that mediation process Otumfuo and the useless on soup Otumfuo adwene no as I escalate another issue. What I say, as I escalate another issue. Now on the media as well, and someone who can honor me, say they are not ready to stop fighting.
Salamu alaikum. Right now, I want to ask this question. What is the government trying to tell us? What is JM trying to tell us? What is Otumfuo and the military trying to tell us? Well, I don't blame the military. They are working under authority. If they have been asked to do anything, they will do it exactly what they asked them to do. So the military, I don't really blame them because they are working with authority. First of all, there's a so-called mediation report, which Otumfuo recommended 2 things, which is one, either Alhaji Bawku Alhaji Seydou Abagre goes back to Nayiri, or he stays in Bawku as a commoner. And this recommendation, UJM or the government do not have to choose for him. You gave 2 recommendations, and he has not told you whether he wants to stay in Bawku as a commoner or he wants to go to Nayiri and stay there. Nobody told you what he is about. So you cannot choose among the recommendation what you want him to do for him, all because of power. We have been quiet for so long. Shame on Otumfuo. God will punish all of you. You think it's all about power. People had power more than you. Where is Rawlings today? Were you powerful than Rawlings? Rawlings was powerful. Where is he today? 6 feet.
They are not ready to stop killing themselves. We don't know what they want. Minim say yan to shiema wo mu na yenyi police free ho no mo, enyi soldiers free ho, enyi nurses for free kuro no mu na say yan to shiema for mu kuro no ho. Na wo mu nkunkum wo mu amintimi nkyere. Minim do mbese wo mu ye wo mu ho ho no mo. Ekuro na ebo mu hu se kuro na esai. Enti kuro na ebo no mu hu se kuro no mu amu se gukuro. Mu nim se mu bo kuro no. Ekuro no nti development bi antimi nkoso ho mu hu no. Ade asem kuro ani. Ade asem ni. Na da bia ye ku nipa ade asem wa. Na we just how the way no. Ana comedian na so TikTokers no. Aba fa ya say enti Bawku kura na da bia Ghana ye ha ye ho Bawku ho no. What at all do Bawku add to development of this country Ghana? Da bia ye wasting resources on them. Ye koye project to honum na omakon ase no. Because we say after the Otumfuo mediation exercise in Kwano, Mahama adonate Mahama asane 1 billion Ghana cedis to the support Bawku for development. Just say the Ghana is no, they will still fight and destroy it. This is Kano go wasted. And no, and Ghana for the Abe fire.
The people of Bawku, with all due respect, we want to know what exactly you people are looking for in this world. Because it seems the nation, the country as Ghana mine and Kasano, you have been over-pampered in this country. Trust me. So. You will be a taste about Bawku Eko. And any bread, any beer, oh, beer, ready, and mabedi. Mugusoko. Obia was so sefata, so was so CC, was a Biana bem, or Penyah, or Swaba, won't ye? I see a deep brain, I have to say, there's a sound sorry, the president should sit down. Nakabaya do my form war Bawku. You evacuate your munina, ho, you say, your bomber do you a munina free Bawku. That's a mobile clock, Munkumo, Obian farm who be him. I want to say, I hope, and I'm hot said a woman. You can't be an animal qua, yet the whole one switch you create. And I'm kind of more Bawku. Ya woman will bass and be pa or Bawku bonten, so I ban say, almost soon good Jim. Me madam for Vincent Japasu, or madam for the Quivans. He a boy to work one more them. And I obey Kum Casa and cancer there be winning the monk home. No me teachers. He a cool more Bawku bonten so. No Mujani Bell Kumase. Timmy Bawku say me hey, and need to be the Mako. Maybe go Yasu so do, you need your mope. ade ba ko esan ya sefem kura ne se esirem ade papa bi anse da ni ho school kura nye omo kwan nye ukọ ba bi kura network nye nsuo da fom na ntwie num bi na nipa so se bi nom eno me bi se na wo se mo mani bre na mo ka se mo bo aban no so na obeye mpom to dwuma ho se se ntokwa nti kura no saban kwa ya na ade so obeye bibi wo ntokwa si a ho ya kwa ma ko se ni nyina na nso de ka foforo kwa sa bro man no. What do you want? Edi na mo pe. Say ya hini ani ahemfo asem a da bia meka me se na ntwe dua anka ne to no enni gina wo komfo nsem. It's too much. Anya bia no nsem koda nketwa wo ho e ma wo ho. Oye na bi say sori a da bia dia yam hyehye wote wo every 1 minute bia na wo yam so bi ko enim say ye beko. Madam for Vincent di video ni send me wo ho. Madam for Vincent e di video ni send me no bro. Obi tu America wura dem ko yi tuo te send yodi kokuma boa. Eti da bia ne benya mo wada de ne ama soldiers. Please, da bia ne deploy soldiers mamo. Na soldier bia bewu, na police ni bia bewu. The last time me tie no piece of fame. Omo no obi kasa. Or reporter wo boko. Omo se meme wo what wo mo yire warning say, hwe no mo anton aduane bia kwa ma security services no mo ho no. Ntu ye police ni na se ma ni kodwomu a omo mema na te omo wo ne se na omo antan de amma sa nkrofo no adan aban ni hye na wo mo wo boko wo mo ya hoho onyi wo nyina mfuru ho na nka temamufu wo mo boko ho na de ombe ye omo hu bia no mo nye. It's too much. Enyo o man no obi ani abre nhwe ne one ne yere ne mabedie se de be asundue bebem. Asundue na hu ni sa no e ade bia ne board dene. Da bia asundue ni ho a da bia na onsunu bujem. Ye di bronya so ntemu nim se ye di bronya. Enye ade a mo pe no monka. Ya soso mo so ache dodo. O man panim ko fa wo mo wo ho nyina mfiri ho. Na temamufu no se mbekum ho a munkum ho. Ye ni aba bi se en kan cho se o 2-bedroom apartment e o ka so a o pe kuma. If you have a pa, you have been punching a benny near Gua, or Sodano Pab, Pramponchi, there be gated down. No, Upiba, what to mush with Dukrumudi. Wanko pass a more win yansem. The dining nature wound. The painty why you be beer Opa and the numbers in the Gua, the friend. Nan in Como. Your man in the studios, a house on the Krawa. As some in the canet didn't say, then crown your best children in Yaka. Mo like and I'm subscribe and I'm just na homa hu soro we de na bronya ye nchia senchi mrantie nyina ma me nchia dusty me chia wo e dia ba mrantie hini studio CD e wasi timi chia ya chia wo bia na wo bia mfa koma panta ya chi ne dumre bi na se so aba ya me yere mfemo we de se ko fipa ne ani ene mrantie hini studios na ne ye wo badawrma ya krawo
Bawku entopa me ye sure se bra o mo starte entokwa we ne yenwo mi na ya wo me kra na na miswa abesi ne mugusoko de ni moje mo hwe the number of people mo hu enam ntokwa ada bia mo ku ye hwe the number of enkra youth eni mpanyimfo mu samontokwa yi esore a nti saa pa na mo pe enkosi da pen na mo bekoso wa take the lives of people away from them all in the name of adidie eni asase a ye beto no wa ebeja wa akọ adidie a ye beto no ha ebeja ha akọ enkosi da pen enkosi da pen ena mo bekoso akọ just recently na me hu say yankasa ya de nyina na Otumfuo Asantehene na wonkwaso oba inside awo no mobeka ye hu mo na mudi asa dondon kikenkenken den and few moments later our present a report in the president of Ghana half of the party must start switching. See, let me tell you, if mediation happens, mediation is here, the other party has to sacrifice, the other party has to compromise, and munya results pepe Bawku be enjoy Bawku be suffer. And the best of no, it is up to the person so be sacrifice. Mahu a lot of write-ups on the internet. A man focus say, it's a power switch here. Any be share. Say Shamadi Musa mo come on not 2028 year to a baby amassing a certain to Quanadia. Then it is high time a Bawku for see creating more Ankasa country de mamu. Because Ghana I know is a peaceful country. And Mungwamu region to me be the reason why Ghana will be a toxic country. So it is high time I was more creating one Ankasa country and mamu. Now more the African countries in home. Near who's a Bawku for Monka and Hubio. And now some residents in president of Ghana beton munina the mama Chad and Russia for. Yet be exchange mu na ya jiska beti ye kaso because menti ase. Enkosi da ben ambehwe moja agu enkosi da ben adan.
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media Accra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!